I'm Katie with Mortuary Lift Company, and I'm here to talk about our handy dandy GlideTec straps. They are super slick, yet they're still rigid. They're still really rigid, so they're easy to slide under the body, super slick. They're made with a high density polyethylene, which resists bacterial growth, and they're super easy to clean. And because they are rigid, they're easy to shove under that body, and they slide really easily, yet they are still flexible enough to hug the remains when you lift them. Putting a hook on a GlideTec is as simple as pressing it against the grommet, and it slides right in. You don't have to even press on it. To get it out, you press on the latch, pull up, put on, take off. They are the perfect strap to use for deceased remains.